right, y'all, back at you. And today is an exciting day because we are going to be harvesting our passion fruit, right?
Yeah.
And I said that singularly because we only have one passion fruit. We actually, this vine hasn't been in the ground it's probably only been in the ground 9 months. And we got a lot of flowers on it, but we only got one fruit off of it. And this is one that you want to harvest when they're real ripe, right? Mm-hmm. Like they have to
want it to fall.
Yeah, you basically harvest them off the ground almost. And so what I do is I come out here every day and just kind of pick at the vine, pick out the dead leaves and stuff like that, and just shake it a smidge to see if the fruit will fall for me, because if it falls on its own, our critters are going to get it if it sits on the ground for too long. So anyways, we came out earlier today and we were picking through the vine, and our one passion flower fell off. Our passion fruit, I mean, fell off, and here it is right here. Yeah, I know. I'm so stoked that we're going to actually just go ahead and open it up right now and eat it, because we've been waiting for it for a while. And this is so good, y'all. If you haven't had any, if you've never had one of these, they look a little funny on the inside, maybe a little off-putting, but they're just so yummy, aren't they? So go ahead, let's slice it open and each get a try here. Oh man, I'm excited. These are so good. Oh man, oh man.
Oh.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy.
Look at that.
All right, go ahead, give it a taste. I don't care. You pick a side.
This one looks a little better. Oh man, losing some juice.
Oh man, it looks good.
So you kind of like scrape the seeds out like this,
So you
and
can
then
see
there's like
it's got a
tropical fruit.
definitely
goodness.
kind of a slimy looking texture to it, but it is so good. Go ahead, give it a try. Is it good? Oh man, I'm jealous.
Man, it's
I can
so
smell
good.
it. I can smell it. Oh
my gosh, it's so good.
All right, y'all. Well, we just wanted to bring you our little harvest here. We don't have like a whole full video of harvesting passion fruit where we're gonna have like a big basket of them or whatever. This
Not
is
yet.
it. Yeah, this is our harvest right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because I want to eat my half. So you know, yeah, we would encourage anyone to grow passion.
God, it's so good.
Passion vine. It's got such a pretty flower, and then it has such a good, yummy tasting fruit, eh?
And I bet you could make some awesome drinks, like like cocktails, or it's just so tropical and delicious.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have it everywhere. I want to put it all.
Yeah, this is the only spot that we have it in right now, but we have our eye on some other spots, so we're gonna put it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get this stuff going and propagate it from this vine.
Yeah.
I can't wait to have more of this stuff.
Yeah.
Such a prize.
All right, well, I hope you liked our video here, and I hope you guys all go out and give it a try for yourself. Until next time, everybody, take care.
Bye.